The density-to-mass interactive calculator solves a fundamental engineering problem we face daily: converting between mass, density, and volume for material selection and design calculations. Whether you're sizing components, calculating shipping weights, or verifying material properties, this tool handles the conversions instantly. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have the Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 options: Calculate Mass, Calculate Density, Calculate Volume, Calculate Mass from dimensions for rectangular shapes, Calculate Mass for cylindrical volume, and Calculate Mass for spherical volume. For today's demonstration, I'll select Calculate Mass from dimensions rectangular. Next, we enter density with units in kilograms per cubic meter, grams per cubic centimeter, pounds per cubic foot, or pounds per cubic inch. The volume field accepts cubic meters, cubic centimeters, liters, cubic feet, or cubic inches. Mass can be entered in kilograms, grams, pounds, or ounces. For dimensional calculations, we have length, width, and height fields, with the dimension unit dropdown offering meters, centimeters, millimeters, feet, or inches. For cylindrical calculations, there's a radius field and height-length field. Let's work through an example. I'm designing an aluminum housing that's 250 millimeters long, 150 millimeters wide, and 80 millimeters high. I'll enter these dimensions, select millimeters as my dimension unit, then input aluminum's density of 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter. After clicking Calculate, the result shows mass, 8.1 kilograms. This output represents the actual material weight you'll need for manufacturing, crucial for cost estimation and structural load calculations. Remember, always verify your unit consistency before calculating to avoid order of magnitude errors. Find the link in the description below.